travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the American Express Blue Business Cash Credit Card. It makes sense to have a unique business card, whether you're the CFO of a huge organisation or the proprietor of a small business, to help you keep track of your expenditures, both yours and that of your staff. If you're going to use a business credit card, you might as well earn points that you can utilise in the future. For small business owners on a tight budget, the Amex Blue Business Cash Card is great because it has no annual fee. Due to the simple rewards system and absence of shifting categories to keep track of, it is an excellent card for routine business use. The American Express Blue Business Cash Card is one of the few credit cards available to small businesses that offer 2% cashback without an annual fee. But there are restrictions. This makes it a terrific alternative for business owners who want to earn a high flat rate on their normal expenses without having to keep track of bonus categories. The card's 0% introductory APR on purchases can be advantageous for people who want to finance upfront costs. If you own a business and have larger spending tendencies, or if your regular monthly expenses neatly fall into a specific category, you may be able to find more favourable cards. In addition, if you're seeking travel incentives, you'll need to go elsewhere. Some benefits and security features of the card exist. Following industry standards, American Express cards have security features. These are only a few of the features the credit card provides. Others include pre-purchase verification, account monitoring, and alerts for unexpected activity. Additionally, free next-day shipping is offered for cards that have been lost or stolen. The opportunity to spend more than your credit limit, the nomination of an account manager, the management of the card account, and the provision of additional employee cards without an annual fee are some of the card's noteworthy advantages. These advantages are in addition to common ones like car rental collision insurance, a travel and emergency hotline, extended warranties, and purchase protection against theft or accidental damage. With certain business credit cards, there may be a fee for adding authorised users. Not so with Amex Blue Cash. The maximum number of users is 99. You can establish spending limits and keep track of transactions with the American Express Business app. Furthermore, the software allows you to tag transactions with notes and organise receipts. Establish spending limits and buy notifications on employee cards to ensure the safety of your business and to keep track of who is making purchases. Any time of day or night, calls can be placed to the customer service. To engage in live chat with a specialist, customers can also log into their accounts. Users of Twitter are welcome to tweet questions or comments to @AskAmex. To qualify for this card, you must have a credit score that is good or exceptional, which is defined as being between 670 and 850. You should be cautious about your credit score because it must fall within this range. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the American Express Blue Business Cash Credit Card. Here are the pros. High awards rate. Adaptable credit limit. Introductory discount of 0%. There is no annual fee. There's an excellent added advantages, benefits for businesses, and also cash rewards. And now for the cons. There's restrictions on redemption. There's outrageously high foreign transaction costs. For balance transfers, there is no introductory low APR. Maximums for bonus rewards spending, and you need a good or excellent credit score. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. Cardholders are eligible to receive cash rewards of up to $50,000 per calendar year on all eligible transactions. 1% is earned on each successive transaction. As a result, up to the spending limit, you will receive $2 for every $100 you spend using this card. Automatic statement credits are the format in which incentives are presented. If you don't make the minimum payment by the due date, or if your account is closed before the credit is issued, you won't receive a statement credit for your incentives. Business owners who don't want to bother about or don't have the time to create redemption programs may find the uncomplicated redemption method of this card to be of a great assistance. If your account is in good standing and you make a purchase within the second billing cycle, any cash back you have accrued will be automatically credited to your account as a statement credit. You can obtain your rewards without ever using the choices for prize redemption. You might just gather them. Making the most of American Express Blue Business Cash by using it for all of your business needs, such as travel, lodging, office expenses, marketing, insurance and other bills, makes sense given its significant return of 2% on qualified purchases. The more you spend from that 2% profit to the $50,000 yearly cap on the card, the more money you will make. If you do make that much of a purchase, you will be given $1,000 in bonuses. The card can then be used to make more purchases. If you have any other cards, consider opening them for your staff as well. Your ability to quickly and easily increase the proportion of your spending that is charged to your card account, which will increase your annual rewards, is made possible by the fact that supplemental accounts are free. The American Express Blue Business Cash Card does not frequently offer a welcome bonus, as would you'd expect for a card without an annual charge. However, Amex offers a better value with this card. You'll get a $250 statement credit after spending $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of card membership. This is a straightforward strategy for business owners to boost their cash flow at a manageable level. Additionally, there is the possibility of a variable APR of 16.24% to 24.24%, being in place after the first 12 months following the day the account is opened, with a 0% introductory APR on purchases during that time. This introductory offer, available when you open your account, can help you finance any sizable purchases you might have. I would give the prizes an 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 for the advantages. The annual cost is free, so it gets a 10 out of 10, and I'd give the level of customer service a 9. The American Express Blue Business Cash Card is ideal for small business owners whose card spending varies across a wide range of categories and spikes up in specific months due to its generous rewards and ability to go over their credit limit. It is also for people who wish to receive their incentives in the form of American Express points, perhaps so they can be coupled with benefits from other Amex cards. Additionally, the Amex Blue Business Cash Card is most advantageous for business owners who will charge no more than $50,000 annually on the card, because that is the spending threshold for its 2% rewards rate, after which the rate decreases by half to 1%. It's also a card for people who don't have a lot of time to figure out how to use sophisticated rewards systems. There is only one rewards rate and one redemption method, which all but eliminates the need to make choices on how to use the card to its fullest potential. For company owners who are just learning how to use rewards while concurrently operating a small business, Blue Business Cash may be a good first card. Due to its outstanding flat rate rewards, the American Express Blue Business Cash Card is a fantastic card for businesses that have a variety of expenses and need a simple payment option. However, you are limited to using the MX points you earn through card-to-card transactions. If you want American Express to be your principal issuer of credit cards and you want flexibility in how you may redeem your rewards, think about getting the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. This card resembles the Blue Business Cash Card almost exactly. Pairing the American Express Blue Business Cash with another card that offers greater points rewards in the categories where you spend the most is a possibility if you're ready to give up some simplicity in exchange for bigger earnings. However, this card is worth a look for the majority of small businesses who desire straightforward, high-yield cashback. I suggest that you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the American Express Blue Business Cash Credit Card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.